If you need to remove the upper rack from the dishwasher, you must first remove the rack slide end caps. There are 3 different types of end caps used in GE dishwashers. Plastic tub models use one of 2 types, and stainless steel tub models use a 3rd type. Before proceeding, determine which type of end cap is installed on your dishwasher. The first type of plastic tub end cap can be removed using a coin to disengage the end cap locking tab from the rack slide. Place a quarter between the end cap body and the locking tab. Twist the coin backwards just enough for the locking tab to clear the rack slide. Then, rotate the end cap toward the center of the dishwasher to release it from the rack slide. Reverse the process to reinstall the end cap. Place the bottom of the end cap in the bottom of the rack slide. Place a quarter between the end cap body and the locking tab to bend the locking tab backward. Then, rotate the end cap into place. Release the locking tab and pull the rack forward to set the tab in place. Be careful not to bend the locking tab further than necessary to prevent breaking the locking tab. The second type of plastic tub end cap can be disengaged from the rack slide using a small flat blade screwdriver. Place the screwdriver between the end cap locking tab and the rack slide and gently press back on the screwdriver to release the locking tab from the rack slide. Remove the end cap by pulling it out of the rack slide. Replace the end cap by pressing it back into the rack slide. Be careful not to bend the locking tab further than necessary to prevent breaking the locking tab. Stainless steel tub models have an end cap with a snap locking tab. Use your finger to disengage the locking tab from the rack slide and pull the end cap out. Replace the end cap by pushing the end cap into the rack slide.